Neodisher MediClean Advanced, the innovative high concentrate with exceptional material compatibility in automated instrument processing. The outstanding material compatibility of neodisher MediClean Advanced enables a wide range of uses in CSSD, from thermostable and thermolabile instruments, minimally invasive surgical and micro-instruments, anesthesia equipment and containers to Da Vinci EndoWrist and other instruments in robot-assisted surgery. Benefits at a glance: strong cleaning performance, makes instruments sparkle and shine, removes dull deposits and ensures an optimum look and feel. Outstanding material compatibility, more sustainable as it conserves resources. Interested? If so, please contact your neodisher specialist advisor regarding material compatibility or visit us at a forthcoming conference. Dr. Weigert, Systematic Hygiene.